All right, guys, time for another break for the 2017 Onyx game used autographed batting gloves. So every box has got one pair of game used autographed batting gloves, and we're still looking for a big name out of here. You've got Trout, um, you've got Aaron Judge, Miguel Cabrera, Albert Pujols, Bryce Harper. A lot of those big names are in this. So hopefully we can grab one of those guys. So Brian M, you've got the Twins. Colin, you've got the Red Sox, Rockies, and Pirates. Deanna with the A's. Harlan, you've got the Yankees and Giants. Ike, you've got the Astros. John W. with the White Sox, Indians, Tigers, Royals, Angels, Mets, Mariners, Rays, Rangers, Blue Jays, and Nationals. Lee, you've got the Reds. Marty with the Braves. Mary R. with the Phillies. Scott G, you've got the Orioles. And then Tammy, you've got the Cubs, Dodgers, and the Cardinals. All that waiting paid off, Scott. All right, here we go. Got the checklist up. All right, there's the C of A. Let's see what we can figure it out first. All right, 2017 game used. Looks like the last name is Cole. Is that a Garrett Cole? Or maybe a Hunter Cole? It is a Hunter Cole. Hunter Cole. Let's see. That's going to be San Francisco. So the Giants. Who had the Giants in this one? That's going to be Harlan. So Harlan, congrats. Don't know if he's any good, but still an autographed pair of game used batting gloves. So pretty cool. So we'll get this pair mailed out to you tomorrow. And we'll look at doing more of these coming up here down the road over the next couple weeks.